Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a vector effect using AI without Illustrator. So open your Chrome browser, go to search option, search set to Google AI Studio. Then you get this option, tap on. Click on. Press on accept. Then you get this interface. Press on to upload image. Okay. And write this description and provide this text in my comment box. Just check out this. Press on run. You need to just wait a few seconds, then you get result. Okay, alright, now let's make it. Okay, just open, click on to download. Now it's download. So that's it.